Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new clock faces to your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There are a few ways of adding new clock faces to your Apple Watch, but the easiest I think is by using the Watch app on your iPhone. Open up the Watch app and then select Face Gallery from the bottom tabs. The Face Gallery shows a list of all the clock faces provided by Apple. Tap on one you like and you'll be able to add it right away, or you can customize it. On most faces, you can choose between multiple styles and complications. Complications are like little widgets that display extra information on the clock face. When you are finished customizing, tap Add at the top right of the page to add it to your watch. You can have multiple faces saved to your watch and switch between them whenever you want. On the main page of the Watch app, you can see the faces currently installed on your watch. On your watch, you can switch between the different faces installed by swiping from either side. Back on the Watch app on iPhone by selecting an installed watch face. You can also set it as your current face or delete it from the watch. You can install new faces without using the iPhone at all. Hold down your finger on your current watch face to get into the face options. Scroll all the way to the right and tap on the plus button. You can now choose any of the faces available on the watch gallery like before. Select any face and it will automatically set as your current face. If you then want to edit the face, hold your finger down on it again and then select Edit. You can also delete faces from this edit menu by swiping up on the watch face you want to remove. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.